We're recording. Back off. Andre. Clean this shit up.
That was really good.
Should make like 2 bowls of this. I think Andre took it. They don't deliver. No, they don't. Chipotle doesn't deliver. Oh, sweat.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, we're actually doing legit cooking this time.
Migori hit us.
Are you doing a cooking video?
Yeah, we're doing like legit cooking. Oh shit. Swag.
Secret ingredient.
Put it in.
I need to take one of these.
Yeah, no.
Me.
Nasty. Oreo ripped it. Fucking swag.
I needed one.
Oh, you went right for that shit. Oh shit, we're cooking. Nothing yet.
It wasn't my fault.
It was Oreos. What was Oreo?
Ah!
He ripped the napkin.
Popped again.
Get used to it, you pussy.
My ear popped.
Pussy.
Get used to it, you pussy.
Pussy. Oh yeah, I brought Lost Planet over. What?
Oh, oi.
Kick him in the face like 5 times. We don't like 2 kicks. Can you please stop right now?
Oh!
What is so damn great about Iron Hero? No one's in
I know, not even me.
Teddy, what are you doing here? Thought you didn't want to be videotaped.
I guess you guys won't get free.
We're gonna watch you do your homework.
I guess you guys won't get free food then.
I get free food.
Who the fuck's gonna watch it?
See what you've done.
Other than me and Jacob.
I don't understand it, even though I already passed that class somehow.
Early pass. Early.
I don't even know how.
Oh, pineapple.
I'm in algebra 2, back off. Oh,
I
pineapple.
took algebra 2 last year, bitch.
No, you didn't.
What do you do? Are you boiling the pineapple?
We're making ramen. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Oh.
Pineapple. Pineapple.
Only a face a mother could love.
You guys understand how much right?
I don't care.
It's unfortunate. It's very unfortunate.
Oh shit. Swerve.
It's gonna take any longer.
This will be as long as I bet it will hit the cap on it.
You can just like, you can stop recording, and then when the noodles are finally done, you can record it again and call it like,
I don't think I can combine it together.
no, like Iron Turtle Part 7, Part 1.
How do you cut open a pineapple? It's just so confusing.
You shoot it open.
It smells good.
Peep peep noodle.
I like that condom we used last time.
Oh, no, it's ruined. It's ruined.
What about condom?
He said, "Oh, that pineapple smells like the condom I used last night." Yeah, weren't you with Kyle last night?
Oh!
I love the house.
Jacob, hey, record something that's valuable to record, not I'm making ramen noodles.
This isn't ramen. We can stop recording and then go from there.